Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can connect R36S to your TV. So you have to follow all these steps one by one. So first of all, locate the HDMI or AV output port on R36S. Use an HDMI or AV cable depending on your TV model to connect it to your TV. Plug the other end of the cable into an available HDMI or AV input on your TV. Turn on the TV and set the input or source to the correct HDMI or AV channel. Turn on the R36S console. The screen should display the game menu on your TV. So these are all the steps that you have to follow. Thank you for watching.